Hello, in this video we are gonna write a Python code for counting sort algorithm. You know how to create a random list. I'll just copy it and we are gonna write our function. Here I will just give one variable, which is our list, because in here the b is the same as a and k will be the maximum of a. So we are gonna have our k. If you don't want to use the maximum, you can say k is 0, and for I in range length of a, if ith index of a is greater than k, k will be I. This is same as this one, so I'm not going to use this. Now we will create our another list, which is C, and it will be from 0 to k. It will have k index, k plus 1 indexes. So and it will be from 0 to k actually. Ci will be 0, but we need to have our list C. Actually we will give here a list and C dot append 0. Okay, now we will change our C list. You know, actually it goes from 1 to k, but in Python it starts from 0 and doesn't take the last index, which is kth number. And ci plus equal to I minus 1. Here we will go from length of a, but we need to lower it by 1, and it wants us to go to the first index, which is 1 in here, but in Python the first index will be 0. So in for loop, if we want to take the 0th index, we need to write minus 1 in here, and we will go down. I forgot to add our B list. B will be list A. It will be the same. Okay. Then we will return B. So here is red is counting sort of A and print counting sorted list will be red. Okay, let's run it. Give index of 10, lower bound 5, upper bound 65. Okay, it says the list index out of range because in Python it doesn't take the last value you type, so this will be -1. And rerun it again. Also in here it will be -1, and here -1. Okay, rerun it again. And list index out of range again is also here. I'm not sure about this one actually. Okay, I got the problem. It will start from 1 and go to k, and -1 should be here. And index 10, 5, 65. Oh, I miswrite it. It will be -1. Here our list is counting sorted. If you wanna see the sorting method step by step, just in here print B, and you will see it's step by step. And here let me write SJ. As you see here, but this counting sort doesn't work like that because it creates C, which is in length of 59, and it will be all zeros. Then it will just increase the index number of A in C. I mean the 13th index or 12th index in C will be 1, as it sees 13 in here. So I'm gonna delete it, and this will be our code. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and you can find the link in description.